Here's a short video from FAMsoft about the 5 key points to a successful legacy systems conversion. Number 1. Define the scope accurately. Business requirements must be thoroughly gathered because defining the scope accurately saves time and money. The scope must be clearly defined, reviewed by key stakeholders, and pros and cons discussed, and the project scope must be signed off. The budget should be allocated, keeping in mind that this change may last for the next decade. Number 2. Choose the right technology. Choose technology within your allocated budget. You may need to refresh both your hardware and your software. For the hardware, you need to decide between having systems on-premise or use platform as a service in the cloud. If you have an ERP system that needs to be converted, you should evaluate several ERP vendors and their offerings, conduct a fit and gap analysis, and align their workflow to your business processes to minimize the need for customizations. If you have homegrown applications, evaluate different programming technologies available, such as open source, .NET, LAMP-stack, and the like. Number 3. Plan the conversion carefully. Be realistic with regard to your timeline. Changes to scope should not be entertained to avoid delays and cost increase. Estimate the number of resources. Figure out availability of existing resources versus hiring additional resources. Create a comprehensive project plan with all key tasks included. Number 4. Select the right resources. Resources that work on your project should be experienced, having gone through at least a couple of legacy conversion projects, so they can bring lessons learned and don't have to reinvent the wheel. They should be able to collaborate and close issues quickly. Number 5. Test converted code thoroughly. Plan for at least 3 test cycles to avoid hiccups after going live with the new code. Change management should be thoroughly implemented. At each stage, a formal sign-off must be done from key stakeholders. Conduct frequent and multiple training sessions with end users to make them comfortable with the new system. Thank you.